Mr. Chaitanya Patel, who is the head of Information Solution at Servilink Systems Limited. He has been directly involved as a techno-commercial lead for implementation of digitalization projects at Servilink and responsible for P&L information solution business. Coming with engineering background, he did artificial intelligence and machine learning business course from IIM Ahmedabad. Mr. Chaitanya was leading as senior sales manager for Rexel India Pvt Limited for a decade and has experience working with automation solution providers as sales head and solution architect. For more than a year, he is involved with digital transformation journey to improvise the assets performance, production quality, and unit profitability by implementing the IoT industry 4.0 solutions and many more. Today, Mr. Chaitanya will talk about smart shift to energy efficient solution. Let's all welcome Mr. Chaitanya.
So Servilink is a group companies and Servilink have Servilink Systems Limited and Servilink Engineers Private Limited. So Servilink Engineers Private Limited basically working in the field of core power sector where they are providing battery charger solutions. Batteries they have a dedicated expertise distributorship of Excite. UPS for the UPS solutions they are providing with APC, and they are also providing PCC, MCC and APFC panels. Similarly, Servilink Systems Limited is a 27-year plus old organization where they are providing automation solutions to the industries like process automation, chemical industries, food and beverages industries, pharmaceutical industries, and many more. So system division will provide automation solutions. Product division is providing non-contact type temperature sensing equipments and modem, and basically they have a partnership with Fluke and Fleur automation cameras and everything, and basically they are the Teledyne company. So information solution, we have a dedicated OEM partnership with PTC, and we also have a training center called Servitech. So Servilink Systems, as I told you, that we have a long partnership with the Rockwell Automation, which is more than 27 years old, and we are the gold RCSI with the specialized domain expertise in the field of process, control, power and information domain. So we have a partnership with OEM partnership with PTC where we are providing augmented reality and IoT solutions, and we have a partnership with Teledyne, which is the Fluke and Fleur automation cameras. We are providing the solution for non-contact type temperature monitoring and sensing. So we have a more than 80 field and experienced executives and engineers who are providing service support and commissioning support to our customers, and we also have a expertise to work with the process licensor and the consultant. So we have a facilities in Vadodara. So we have a corporate office at Alkapuri, and we have an engineering development center about 3,000 square feet at Alkapuri, and we have a manufacturing unit at Raman Gamli Port, which is around 11,000 square feet. So we have a remote offices at Bharuch, Ahmedabad and Gandhidham, and satellite offices at Pune and Delhi and Texas. So modern industrial trends are, so Startup Insight survey, global survey says that the 10 innovation technologies are booming in this next 2 to 3 years, where artificial intelligence having 16% of the scope of implementation, as well as the advanced research and development activity in the field of IoT and edge computing and cloud computing, advanced robotics applications going to be implemented in the industries, Internet of Things, which we are discussing till now. Now it's Internet of Everything, human and augmented reality, human augmentation as well as extended reality, network and connectivity, which is the fourth backbone of the IoT, big data and analytics, 3D printing, security, transparency and privacy, and digital twin. These are the 10 most innovative technologies where Industry 4.0 will follow their standards, as well as these are the technologies supports industries to meet their ultimate goal of production as well as the profitability. So we at Servilink, we are providing Industry 4.0 solutions where we provide solutions to the industry for implementation of the digital manufacturing processes in the industry, and we provide e-logbook solutions, EMS, utility management, web reporting, and audit. So IT and OT integration will allow us to integrate the various assets of the process industry, various assets of any manufacturing industry, will allow us to meet the Industry 4.0 standard requirements. So we provide cyber security, IEC 62443 solutions. We provide artificial intelligence where we can implement anomaly detection, predict anomalies, everything. So we also implement the projects on virtualization and theme manager. So remote monitoring and controlling through the cloud services, these are the major criteria and the demand in the field nowadays, and customer is expecting real-time data of monitoring of their assets or their manufacturing unit, very handy. So we provide solutions for that, and we also provide the Android and iOS application. Based on the application, we provide the solution to the customer to understand and to monitor their assets on real-time basis. We also provide connectivity with the ERP like Oracle and Sage Navision. That kind of connectivity will allow customer or a client to identify and monitor the give management the real insight of the plant. Similar to basic building automation utilities. So Anilji has basically shared the major criteria of the utility where we can save the energy. So energy monitoring basically for the resources, about the resources. So water, air, gas, electricity, and the steam. So monitoring and the metering is the most important criteria for this, and we can optimize the usage of this particular energy resource. Similarly, the central unit building and balance of plant, where we can work on the powerhouses of the industries, and we have optimization possibilities in the utilities like chillers, cooling towers, co-generations, and heat and power, combined with heat and power, burner management. Similarly, electrical distribution, we can monitor and optimize the usage of the distribution. And not industrial HVAC solutions, where we can have more optimization possibilities with respect to energy saving concerns. Optimization and optimize the resources and reduce the waste. For water usage and its reduction of the wastage, we can save the energy. Similarly, the air, gas, electricity, and steam. So I will give you some brief about these use cases in next few upcoming slides. So these are the most energy consumers of the industry, like chillers, refrigeration system, pumps, motors, boiler systems, fan and air handling units. These are the equipments which is consuming more energy and provide the necessity of energy to the plant to run 24 by 7 in nowadays. So we have up to 30% potential to save the energy over this equipment only. So by co-generation, burner management, implementation of the automation as well as the digital technology, with the help of digital technology, we can implement this solution: co-generation, burner management, combustion control, and chiller. This will allow us to save the energy by implementation of automation as well as digital solution, providing the real-time monitoring of the asset. And we can identify the excess energy generated by the equipment, so we can reduce the generation as well as utilize the excess energy to other. So this is the use cases which I am going to share with you. So thermic fluid heater, we can collect. So advantages I can share, that collect the data from different resources, data analysis, deviation monitoring, cost monitoring, access machine inside remotely secured, access of machine inside remotely and secured, prevent maintenance, get maximum design efficiency. So these are the advantages of the digital transformation. Basically, the industry is having multiple equipments are working on the conventional automation system or a conventional control system. Now connecting each and every equipment on centralized level, and we can have data on central edge computing devices, and we can compute the locally the analytics. We can run and compute the data on the local edge gateways, and we can provide the centralized dashboard to the management on the over the cloud. So these are the few slides which we have developed for our customer, and these are the management monitoring asset monitoring systems for thermic fluid heater. Similarly, utility monitoring systems we have developed for our customer, where we can have total power consumption in various form and real-time monitoring of the trend of the consumption. So steam flow monitoring, daily, monthly, or weekly, we can monitor the steam flow of the individual assets as well as the individual area. Utility monitoring, where we have, this is another use case where we have implemented utility monitoring for our key client, and we have provide them the spider graph with the consumption as well as the generation of the utility resources, so energy resources. And by optimization of the usage, we have generated the 10 to 15% energy saving on the few of the equipment where utility has access generated from the customer end. So this is the power plant where we have provided the paperless. We have concluded this particular digitalization journey with the one of the power plant, and we have provided paperless reporting for this, as well as the maintenance module, preventive maintenance module of the assets, as well as we have provided the asset performance and the KPI dashboard for the management. So this is the main power plant dashboard where we can have generation, auxiliary power consumption, everything, generation of the PLF, steam flow, drum level, boiler monitoring, everything we can monitor on the screen. Similarly, these are the key parameter of the boiler where we can have all the data at a glance on the web application, where we have given the access to the customer as well as operator, management and administrator. So these are our few customers where we are serving our solutions. We have reached India as well as overseas. We have implemented multiple projects with these countries. Thank you so much.